Hey vlog, I know y'all can't see me, it's pretty dark right now. Today is Friday. We are introducing a new vlog. So hey vlog, what's poppin', what's good? Today is Friday. Tomorrow is my mom's birthday, but we are taking her out tonight. We're just going out to dinner, so I'm on the way to pick up a gift for my mom. So that's what I'm doing right now. Once I pick up the gift, I'm going to run home, do my makeup, get myself together, and then yeah, we're gonna head out. Like I said, I really don't know where we're going. Just somewhere basic is fine. But we're not really doing nothing. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to introduce the vlog here. Next time y'all see me, I'll probably be doing my makeup and getting ready to go. So yes, oh my god, I'm sorry y'all, I just almost fucking got hit. But yeah, so I'll catch up with y'all on the flip side. Just want to introduce the vlog. Happy Friday, it's payday. What's good, what's poppin'? Girl, I did my hair. Y'all can't see, y'all see later. I put in this little braided ponytail. Girl, it looks so ugly. I need my hair done so bad, and I'm trying to hold out to my birthday, but a bitch need her hair done immediately. So yeah, I need to work on that soon. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side. Hey vlog, okay, so I just got back home. I'm getting ready to just do my makeup really fast, and yeah, we're gonna be on our way soon. So I'm just gonna speed through this part. Oh yeah, this is all I was showing y'all. My hair is just in this braided ponytail. Do y'all like it? Or maybe I should unravel. Let me see how it looks. Let me see how it looks. I don't know why the fuck I'm whispering, but let me see how it looks unbraided. Like, I don't know what it is. I just don't like this ponytail came out, I guess. I don't know, we'll see. But let me get my makeup done and looking like somebody. The bitch looking about me. Okay. Hey vlog, so I am back. I'm fully done. I did my makeup. My phone had died halfway through recording my makeup, so but it's really basic. It's really basic. I just put on some lashes and some lips, and it's really basic. It's really basic. But I feel cute. I got this ponytail. I unraveled the braid. Y'all know I had the braid. I unraveled it. It looks okay. So yeah, I feel cute. I feel cute. I fit all the clothes that I picked out, so I feel good about that. So yeah, we're gonna go to Krabby's. We're going to take my mom out to eat for her birthday. Her birthday is technically tomorrow, but we're gonna celebrate tonight. It has outside seating, so that's really where I'm going. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get some pictures in too. I brought my tripod, so yeah. I will catch y'all when we get to Krabby's. how my makeup turned out. Excuse the eyelash glue, girl. Oh well. But yeah. We'll check in with y'all. Check in with y'all later. Peace. Hey vlog, a bitch is drunk. Okay. We went to Krabby's and we ordered peach on the beach. This girl, if you ever go to Krabby's in Fort Pierce, girl, get you a peach on the beach. Girl, that shit got me right, okay? We just dropped my mom off back home. I gave her a card or whatever. I didn't get a chance to get her a gift, so I just left $40 in the card and, you know, it's happy birthday. As you see, our total was well over $100. But the drinks were worth it. I'm not gonna lie, like, we spent over like $50 on drinks, but it was really worth it. So yeah, right now look, we are on the way home. We stopped at the gas station. My daughter has to pee. Oh my god, girl, I do not know what to answer this call. Hi. Oh, okay. Hey, we're right across the street at the gas station by the KFC. Are you at the KFC? Oh yeah. Yeah, no, I understand. Yeah, we're still here waiting. Okay. Okay. Anywho, we're picking up Nevaeh's favorite cousin. So we're just waiting on her to drop her favorite cousin off. Yeah, she called. She was like, hey, I just want to make sure you guys are still there. I don't want to seem like I'm, you know, going for no reason. I'm like, okay. So we're going to Gainesville tomorrow. I don't know what to expect. I'm going with my boyfriend's family. I'm not expecting nothing too like big or major. I don't know what's gonna happen, to be honest, but I know we're going really early in the morning, and I would definitely be taking you guys with me. So yes, so once we pick up her favorite cousin, we're just gonna head to the house and yeah, just straighten up and get on the road early tomorrow. So yeah, that's all we got planned for today. But Krabby's was really good. The restaurant was really good. My mom, you know, had a good time for her birthday. So it's really what it was about. But yeah, my brother called. As you know, he is in prison, but he's due to get out in November. I mean, with him gaining game time, he may get out even sooner. So he's due to be home this year, which is really good. Yeah, I am so drunk. Like, I am feeling it. I really just want to go home and lay down, but we gotta wait. She called again. Hey vlog. It is the next day. It's Saturday. As you can see, I've recorded clips of the trip up here. Very much an experience. It's very nice though. I mean, it's very nice. It's very open, but it is definitely in the middle of nowhere. And I know when the sun gets down, it's time to go, bitch. But it's definitely it's nice. Very nice. It seems like they're just cleaning up. They're, you know, like cutting the grass, picking up weeds and shit like that. So overall, it's pretty nice. We just got here like 10 minutes ago. I'm wearing the same shirt from yesterday, same earrings, same makeup. I was so fucking tired last night, and we woke up really early, probably around 7:30, and we got on the road. So the drive was not too bad, to be very honest with you. We got here in about three and a half hours, so it wasn't a bad drive. It was straight. I really don't know what we're ready to do. Like I said, this is my boyfriend's family land. So I was hoping to get a pedicure. I don't know if I'm able to do that today. I know we're currently in Williston, Florida. We're about 20 minutes of Gainesville. So yeah, and then we're staying at this Airbnb that they rented out, which is, I think it's in Gainesville. I don't know. But I know right now we're in a place called Williston, Florida. So, I mean, it's pretty nice. Like, today's a good day. You know, it's not too hot. It's not too cold. I think it's a good day. Good vibes, I guess. So, yeah. So, apparently, they finna cut this chicken up and eat it in a few hours. Yeah, I'm not eating that shit, but yeah, cold chicken. So I'm really just sitting down, honestly. I'm not really doing nothing. They have a nice little fire pit right here though. So yeah, I'm just sitting by the fire pit. It looks like they're about to shoot some guns over there, so yeah, that's what it looks like right now. Hey vlog. I really like the lighting in this room. So it is currently, I want to say like 6:30. Okay, it is 6:02 right now. I am sitting here laying down in this Airbnb all by myself. I am very tired, so I am probably gonna go to bed. Although I'm very hungry, I was considering DoorDashing some food, but I'm just really tired, so I'm probably just gonna take a nap. I'm just really yeah, I'm here by myself. My boyfriend left and went back to the little campsite or whatever. So yeah, I'm just here. I'm chilling. Yeah, I took a bath. I feel so much better now that I took a bath. It felt so good. So yeah, I'm just here, really just laying down by myself. Like, I'm a little too scared to walk around, and so I guess I'll just wait till everyone gets back. But in the meantime, I want to take a nap. So yeah, I guess I'll check in with y'all when I wake up. So what exactly do you want?
I want that, but I don't want the shrimp. If I get it,
Yeah. I mean, I can eat the shrimp, but I don't want the pasta. I'm not a pasta person. So like, okay, all right, we just ordered our food, and like all they have is like paper straws. It's so weird. They don't have regular straws. They have paper straws, and they so nasty. They get all wet and sticky after like 2 sips. This tea is really good though. I got berry tea, and we got some mozzarella sticks, and he has a Jack and Coke. So hey, well, why? I know, because they seem to be everywhere. I don't think we can avoid that. It's so good. He mad because they got paper straws here. And it's like, I understand, but it seems to be like a regional thing. I truly don't think this area has regular straws, because every single restaurant we've been to today, even like McDonald's, is giving us paper straws. I don't understand. Girl, I got this ugly ass ponytail in my head. This ponytail is so raggedy. But I don't want it to like, I don't want to wrap it around my head, because I don't like wearing my hair like that. It's very weird. Like, I don't like my head like all the way. I don't like the back of my head to show. Like, I hate that area to show, so I'm gonna wear this little nappy ass ponytail till tomorrow, I guess. Yeah. Customer service is really good. It seemed to be pretty fast. Like, to be honest, we just sat down not even 10 minutes ago, and we got our food and our drinks. So yeah, it seemed to be good. It's not too crowded here, so that's good as well. Then again, it is Sunday. I don't know why it feels like a Saturday to me, but it's definitely a Sunday, so yeah. Oh my goodness. The cheese is just so dramatic.
Got it for your nose. Aviatic chain, got a nigga on froze. Know my life good, cause I just bought a roll. Double off, boom, swag still boom. Bought 10 bricks, same money, all tone.
Hey vlog. We went to the little I call it campsite, but we went to the little spot or whatever. We wasn't there that long, only about an hour and a half. We're currently on the way home, unfortunately. They're actually staying till the next day. I really wish I could stay till the next day, but a bitch gotta go to work tomorrow, so we're on the way home. It's currently 5:50. It's getting very dark, and I know we still gotta go through some scary ass roads, so I really hope he can hurry up. We're currently at Circle K right now. He's getting some drinks and stuff before we get on the road. So, yeah, overall it was a good weekend. I'm glad that I came. Gainesville and Williston was very nice. Definitely a different vibe, but nonetheless, it was very nice. Yeah, really. This is a nice Circle K. I'm probably going to check in with y'all tomorrow, and then I'm probably going to end the vlog there, because y'all know Monday through Friday, I bitch don't do nothing. I don't do nothing at all. I have so much stuff I need to kind of like get together before I go to Atlanta, so yeah, I'm just going to work on that. I guess I'll go in more detail later on about it, but yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm gonna check in with y'all when we make it home, and yeah, I guess I'll just see y'all later.